Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have something in my hand to share with you all. This is C4 Ripped. I've been using this for a while now, and the box is about to finish now. I think hardly 5 or 6 scoops left, so I thought why not to share a review of it. First thing, I like it, and second thing, let me tell you a bit about what they have in this box. So the first thing they have is they got like all the vitamin B's, B3, B6 and B12. They are basically used to give you energy, turns your food into energy. B6 kind of gives nervous and immune system healthy. B12 kind of gives it keeps like blood and nerve cells healthy, immune system healthy. They all kind of do like inner health of the body stuff, and they are very good to include in your daily diet. They are like water soluble, so they don't store in the body, they don't stays in the body, they just wash away. And next thing they've got here is beta alanine, which itself it is a pre-workout, so you're supposed to be thinking like there should be a beta alanine, yeah, and they got it. Beta alanine is basically a non-essential amino acid, and it improves endurance, it improves aerobic capability of the body, and it kind of reduces muscle fatigue, so you don't get too tired after your workout. So it kind of helps you in overall system and gives you energy even after your workouts, so you don't feel tired after it. And the second thing they got is citrulline, that's 1000 mg per serving. So beta alanine they have 1600 mg per serving, and their serving size is 5.7 gram, and they have like this type of scoop. It's 5.7 grams, not 6, not 5, 5.7. Yeah, because of the composition they have here is something that's, to be honest, that's kind of explaining why it's 5.7. so yeah, they have like citrulline, as I said, 1000 mg. It gives you pumps, promotes lean muscle mass in the body. It's good for overall blood flow, and it enhances nitric oxide levels in the body. So citrulline is 1000 mg, but you have seen most of the pre-workouts, they got like more than 5000 mg in them, but 5000 or more than that, like you can have up to like 8 grams, but it's not for beginner or intermediate levels. But they've got like 1000 mg, and I kind of agree, because with this is not meant to give you that explosive power. This pre-workout is designed for something else. It's C4 Ripped, it's for fat burning. So yeah, they have added kind of beta alanine in it and citrulline in it for giving you like some extra push in the workout. And what they have added for fat burning is they have added L-carnitine, green coffee, caffeine, Capsimax and Panax root extract. So they have added carnitine, 500 mg. Carnitine is basically turning your fat into energy. When you work out, it tries to uses your fat as a energy which is stored in the body. Carnitine is also proven to reduce your visceral fat, that's belly fat. If you have a lot of belly fat surrounding your organs, that means you might end up having a lot of health issues, and fatty liver is one of them, because it surrounds your liver and it kind of limit the capabilities of liver. And they have green coffee. Green coffee is another supplement that helps in fat loss. It kind of maintains good blood pressure, it kinds of maintain good blood sugar levels in the body. And they have caffeine, yeah, gives you energy and kind of help you a little extra efforts in fat loss. And next they have Capsimax. Capsimax is basically extracts of capsaicinoids from red chili, uh, which helps you in boosting your metabolism and burn little extra calories. So this is again support for your fat loss goal. And the last one they've got here is Pinax ginseng root extract. So what is this used for? This is just 50 mg, and same as Capsimax is also 50 mg. What does this ginseng root extract does is used to prepare you mentally for the workout. It kind of improves the mind level of the body. It kind of improves in thinking. It kinds of this is something related to the pre-workout that plays with your mind. It'll get you prepared mentally for your workout. So it improves the memory and thinking skills of your mind. It's kind of a good supplement, yeah. But how I use them is like this contains 30 servings, but I used like one and half serving, like 1 plus half serving at one time, so it lasts me around 20 days, which is quite okay for me because I've been in fitness for like more than 12-13 years now. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you for 1 serving a day. That's enough. And hope you like this video, and make sure to follow and subscribe. I keep uploading videos related to health and fitness. I am a certified professional and here to help. Thumbs up.